What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today is part 7 of a series where we've been building a beat battle beat from scratch, and this is gonna be the last episode. In the last episode, we went ahead and got these drops all figured out, and in this episode, we're just gonna do some minor tweaks to things, and then we're gonna start mixing this and mastering and getting it finished up. So without any further ado, let's get right into this one. Alright guys, so you may notice this new addition up here, and it will look better once we get a new camera. Right now it's just kind of blurred out because of the webcam that I'm using, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, because once we get to 5K subscribers, we're going to be upgrading the camera and getting a way better setup. We're going to get rid of this symbol right here when it goes into the reverb, because it's actually making a clip noise. I'm going to put a transition leading into the reverb part right here just to kind of make it feel a little bit better. So we might grab one of these from the beginning. All right, so we'll use this one. All right, that did help a lot. I think I want to put one more FX, our last FX that we're going to add somewhere into this last drop. Or somewhere into this second to last drop.
Okay.
Put a little Nicki Minaj in here.
Okay. Okay.
All right, we're only gonna have that come in here, so we're gonna modulate the mix. We'll have it go from 0 there. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to modulate the panning. Alright, we're going to automate this reverb thing back on for the very end here. Alright guys, let's start EQing everything and mixing it. Alright, so we already have our melodies, our kicks, and our 808s done, so we can skip over those. The snare that comes in when we have the halftime effect on our beat, and we were originally going to chop some of the highs out, but let's do that now. We gotta see how it sounds with everything else though. I'm also going to put just a tad of reverb on this to try out the snare hall. We're not going to EQ the battle drum since we don't have like a kick or anything. That'll be like our main subby part. Alright, those two are good. Reverse kick's good. Trans is good. Alright, let's get into the clap. Okay, everything's EQ'd, great. Now we can start getting the leveling right. So the trick is we're just gonna loop each different section and try to match the volume throughout. Okay, we'll start with the intro.
Feel this, run it up. Feel this, run it up.
Alright, on to the pre-drop. Everything sounds pretty good there. Alright, moving on to the first part of the drop here. What we're going to do is start with the kick 808 and the instruments, and we'll just start mixing in everything with it. Start with our clap, or we'll start with our snare. So like clapping. Alright. Throw that open hi-hat in here. Second hi-hat. We just got the hi-hat now. Alright, that part's sounding good. Let's move on. We're gonna make these a little bit louder. We need this snare to hit a little bit harder. Let's put Ableton's drum bus on it really quick. Alright, moving on to the next section. Alright, and that section was good. I think halftime is going to be fine. We just added this snare, right? Alright guys, yeah, we literally did it. We leveled everything already. Alright, last thing to do guys is a quick master. I'm gonna go into my drum kit and grab my master chain here. Slap it onto the end of my pre-master. Then we'll start with our fresh air here. We're gonna have this part looping. Get our golf house going. Alright guys, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We finally finished this crazy freaking battle beat. So let's listen to our finished product right now.
Fearless, run it up.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We made a beat battle beat from scratch. So if you guys watch this one all the way from beginning, give yourself a pat on the back because this was a long one and there was a lot of gems that you learned along the way. So now you just got to go and try to make one yourself. It's going to be hard to do it at first because it looks really complicated, but just follow this step by step and you got it, pal. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this one all the way to the end. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because we're uploading daily videos that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that guys, I'll be catching you in the next one. Peace out, gang.